Friends, good morning. Welcome to Myttre's kitchen. So today recipe is a instant recipe, no soaking required. When you're looking for a dish which can be made quickly at the same time tasty, then this is the ideal choice. The recipe is Moong Dal Masala Curry. For doing this Moong Dal Masala Curry, you can see I have not soaked our Moong Dal. We are going to do instantly. Followed with chopped tomatoes, onions, green chilli, garlic, coriander leaves, along with bay leaves, star anise, cinnamon cloves, and the general kitchen items like turmeric powder, chili powder, asafoetida, coriander powder, salt and cumin seeds. So let us get into the recipe and see how instantly and tasty can we make this Moong Dal Masala Curry. Step to do our Moong Dal Masala Curry is, I have not soaked the Moong Dal, I have just washed and kept it. Just washed it and kept it. So now we are going to pressure cook it. So for 1 cup of Moong Dal, I am going to add, it's become super hot. I'm going to add 4 glasses of water and add all the items one by one. I'm going to add our washed moong dal into it. Turmeric powder followed with 3 garlic cloves. We are going to add 2 green chilli finely chopped. We are going to add 2 small onions which is again finely chopped, along with chopped tomatoes, all our tomatoes and onions. Now I'm going to add these spices into the cooker. So I'm going to add 3 cloves, 2 bay leaves, 2 pieces of cinnamon and 1 star anise. So now we need to pressure cook this for 5 to 7 whistles. Then let us see what is the next step. Released. So let us see our moong dal. Yes, you can find it without soaking our moong dal. It's nicely cooked. It's absolutely nicely cooked. If you need it, you can just smash it in a smasher. Otherwise, this is the right consistency to take it to the next step. So now let us see what is the next step. Friends, for our cooked moong dal, I am just adding the required amount of salt. In the other pan, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of refined oil, 2 tablespoons of refined oil. Followed with that, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, few curry leaves. So gas in low flame. As it's getting tossed, I am going to add a pinch of asafoetida, followed with the required amount of spice, that is our 1 tablespoon of chili powder or as per your need, followed with a tablespoon of coriander powder. Ensure you do not fry the masalas, just be next to the masalas and just gently mix it. Do not over fry it, just mix everything well. So just cook the masala for 2 to 3 seconds until the raw smell of it goes away, but do not fry it. So now the masalas is nicely cooked, the raw smells have gone. So now we are going to add this into our cooked moong dal. I'm just going to add a little water to it. Just going to add a little water to it. Mix all the masala along with the water. Have it poured into our moong dal masala curry and mix it gently and garnish it with our coriander leaves, and it's ready to be served. So you can find it's so very nicely come out. The taste was awesome. So it's ready to be displayed. Here goes our instant tasty moong dal masala curry. So please do try this recipe which can be made instantly. So watch this video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. This recipe goes very nice with dosa, idli, kulcha, naan. So please do try this and share your comments in the below comments box. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye bye.